Make sure I got outside today because it's been absolutely gorgeous.
And we really have been spoiled with this October weather, George, and the trees are just peaking perfectly right now.
Oh man, and it was up against that blue sky, those fall colors. Yeah, wow, it does not get any better than this. Today, guys, I think day number 5 with 100% sunshine. We're waiting until the end of that. Hasn't happened since I think 1950.
Wow.
So yeah, this is kind of a record-breaking streak here in West Michigan. But you know, all things have to come to an end at some point. 13 weather ball is blue, just a little bit cooler weather in view, low 70s here tomorrow, and it's also clear. So we're going to continue to see more sunshine. Clear day to start up in Fremont. Look at the fall colors here, mid 50s to start, very comfortable. And then as the day goes on, we jump into the 70s. Blue skies all the way around, just a few high clouds kind of coming in here late this afternoon, but I think we will see more of those high clouds around the next couple of days. So not quite as sunny. That's the first thing to go. 76 right now in Grand Rapids where the wind is coming in off the lake. It is cooler from Holland northward, only around 70 plus. It is as warm as 79 around Hastings, Ionia, and almost 80 up there in the Mount Pleasant area. You can see some of those high clouds coming on in, and that's what we're going to see tomorrow. Filtered sunshine. So first the clouds, and then a chance of some showers later on this week. Not from that. That'll be coming from this cold front. That will eventually work its way through, and that will drop our temperatures quite a bit during the day on Wednesday, back down to seasonable levels. Here come the high clouds overnight, so it'll be mostly cloudy to start your day. Could be a sprinkle by the end of the day tomorrow, but our chances for rain will be mainly late Tuesday night. And look at this, on Wednesday, we get back into some sunshine in the afternoon, and we'll have more dry weather. It'll be cool on Wednesday, but the winds turn around to the south again. Starting Thursday, will warm right back up. Best chance for rain right now looks like it'll be Thursday night, ending Friday morning. And next weekend, it'll be dry and mostly sunny, but it will not be in the 70s. It'll be more like the 60s. Dry weather expected to last through at least the end of next week as well, with one exception. Late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, there could be another chance of rain. The best chance of rain, of course, will be Thursday night, ending Friday morning. Long range outlook calls for high chances for warmer temperatures once again all the way through the end of the month. Average highs are in the mid 50s though, but I think we'll be 60 plus. And with that one shot of rain coming through, I think there's just a slightly higher chance for more rain during that 5-day period. Tonight, it'll become mostly cloudy late tonight. Clear this evening, low and mid 50s with that south wind continuing, around 50 to the north with mostly clear skies. It'll become mostly cloudy towards daybreak. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. A few more clouds at the west, a fewer to the east. Overnight lows right around 50. 13 on your side forecast. Even though there are raindrops on the next 3 days, the timing of which will come overnight Tuesday night, ending right around daybreak Wednesday. So Wednesday will be dry, and Thursday will be dry with a chance of some rain Thursday night, ending Friday. And temperatures will cool off from 72 tomorrow to 61 Wednesday. Upper 50s Thursday. We will be cooler over the weekend with highs only in the 50s, but that is actually pretty close to our average high of 58. So yes, guys, we indeed have been spoiled.
Yes, we have.
Need some of that rain though, that's for sure.
Thank you, George.
Well, if we tally 100% of the possible sunshine today, that'll be 5 days in a row. We have not done that in October since 1950. It has been a while. More sunshine on the way this evening, but limited amounts here tomorrow. 13 weather ball is also blue as some cloudier and slightly cooler weather is in view. Well, speaking of sunshine, tomorrow we'll be up to 8.4 out of a 10-point scale to create green energy from the sun. As far as sunshine, another beautiful blue sky, peak color kind of day, mirroring what happened over the weekend. Can't remember a stretch of weather this fine in the fall. That was the comments of some of my neighbors as well. But we're going to start to see some of those high clouds come in from the west later on tonight, thickening up just a little bit, but so it'll be just filtered sunshine during the day tomorrow. Winds will continue to be out of the south. Another day with southerly winds would get us up close to 80 like it is in South Bend, 81 in Chicago, but we've got a cold front that's going to be coming on through, and the winds will pick up and we will cool off later in the day on Wednesday. Clear skies this evening, but you can see the clouds thickening up. This is daybreak tomorrow. No rain out of those, but filtered sunshine throughout the day. And then in the late afternoon, might to have a sprinkle pop up here and there, but there's the cold front that we're watching. This represents the change in the air mass. That comes through very early on Wednesday morning, so no rain expected here on Wednesday afternoon as the sun comes out. And then we have another sunny day, but cooler day coming up on Thursday. Winds turn around more to the south. Another cold front will be approaching on Friday. We may see some showers overnight Thursday night, ending Friday morning, but cooler weather behind that for this upcoming weekend. Lots of sunshine, maybe partly cloudy at times, but this weekend will not be in the 70s. It'll be more like in the 50s. Looking farther ahead, after those 50s go by, we'll be back up into the 60s as we head into the last of October, early part of November. That's the first full weekend of November. Highest chances for warmer temperatures right over the Great Lakes region. Average highs, though, are in the low and mid 50s. So 60 plus would certainly be warmer with cooler out west. And finally, a good portion of the country, at least the western 2/3, are going to have higher chances for more rainfall during that 7-day period. All of the dry weather appears to be moving into the New England states. So a clear evening, another great night to take sunset photos, but increasing clouds late tonight after about midnight. Low and mid 50s. Those are not too far away from the average highs this time of year. 50 to 51 to the north with a light south wind under mainly clear skies until about daybreak. And increasing clouds from west to east. Sunrise tomorrow is at 8:05 here in Grand Rapids. We'll see some of those high clouds, but at least a little bit of filtered sunshine tomorrow. Overnight lows upper 40s to low 50s. 13 on your side forecast. You do see raindrops on the next 3 days, but all of that will come overnight Tuesday night, ending Wednesday morning. So the rest of the day Wednesday will be dry, but temperatures will fall from 61 to 49 by the end of the afternoon and only reach 58 on Thursday. It'll be a dry day Thursday. Any showers will come overnight Thursday night, ending before daybreak on Friday. We'll back up to 62 Friday, and then a cooler weekend, mid and upper 50s. That's pretty close to our average high, and then we begin a little bit of a warm-up after that, rounding out the month of October. Yes, we do have chances of rain. They're not great, but at least there is a chance for rain.
Still overall, a really nice October that we've had, George.
It has been.
Thank you so much.
George, that blue sky, the vibrant colors right now, really a perfect fall day.
Oh, perfect fall day. It was a perfect fall weekend. A lot of folks heading out to, the cider mills and the corn mazes. It was just amazing. We've had 5 days in a row with 100% of the possible sunshine. Haven't done that in October since 1950. Let's take a look ahead at your Tuesday. Cooler weather in view and not quite as much sunshine in view. We'll take our 70s though. Made 77 here in Grand Rapids. Warm spot up in Mount Pleasant at 82 degrees in October. Just crazy. Wind off the lake, 60-degree water there. Low in mid 70s, including 71 in Muskegon. For the cool spot, we forecast 76 today from last night at 11. That's 8 days in a row within our target range. Only 4 misses this month. Hope to continue that streak. We've had quite a 30-day period with warmer than average temperatures. Only 2, 4, 6, 7 out of the last 31 have been cooler. We did have that cool stretch there. 4 days in a row in the 50s, and then we went 60s and 70s. We're going to be trending a little bit cooler, but beautiful day at the beaches as well. Sun going down there in about a half an hour, 70 degrees with 1 to 2 foot waves at the beaches, 2-footers to 3-footers out closer to the lake. And if you missed last Friday's update, the lake is 6 inches lower from last month and 6 inches below last year, 3 inches below average. So that means more beach when the lake goes down just a little bit. Compare that to when we had our highest level in 1986 when it was 43 inches higher. Some high clouds starting to stream in from the west. No issues with that. Got a little low pressure system out here around Nebraska, but what we're tracking is this cold front that'll be pushing through later on Thursday night into Friday. This little wave coming on through may produce a scattered shower late in the day on Tuesday, but more likely Tuesday evening, ending Wednesday morning. There's that system coming through on Friday, right in through there. That's going to bring us a chance of some rain Thursday night and Friday morning, and then the winds shift back around to the southwest after the weekend. So after a cool down early next week, we'll see warmer temperatures after the following weekend. And right now, it looks like it's going to be a warmer Halloween at this point. Chances of rain pretty small here late tomorrow evening. Better chance will come after midnight Thursday, ending Friday morning, and then another chance the following Wednesday. Could use some rain. And if you missed it last Friday, the long range outlook from the 2nd through the 15th, that's the first 15 days of November, we have higher chances for warmer temperatures and an equal chance for more or less precipitation. Probably leaning drier at this point. Tomorrow, it will be filtered sunshine. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. Mid and upper 60s north, 70 plus south. Northern zones, upper 60s to maybe as warm as 72 in Greenville. And filtered sunshine here in Grand Rapids, which will knock our temperatures down just a few degrees. We'll be in the low to mid 70s. 13 on your side forecast. You see 3 days with rain, but all of that will come Tuesday night, ending Wednesday morning. So both of those days will be dry during the daylight hours, and then also dry Thursday with an overnight shower ending Friday morning. And it will cool off from the upper 50s and low 60s all the way into the 50s for the weekend, and then recover later on through the end of October.